Millie.
Yeah, like I was saying, they would have wanted Chibuku on the wing who can actually carry the ball.
Look at that touch from Senior Benza.
Yes. Wow, that's the first shot at goal. But nothing to trouble. It looks like they are set in such a way that they do not want to concede. Yeah.
Maybe they're putting caution to the wind. Another chance for ZPC Kariba. They seem to be crawling back into the match.
They are.
Bit by bit.
They are. 2 shots in 2 minutes.
But also we received a statement yesterday from Zifa. They had requested that we get fans for Zimbabwe versus Ghana match, and CAF says no.
But using the Zifa language, the national stadium is being used temporarily because it has not been homologated. So they cannot allow fans.
There's another chance. Oh, that's a brilliant chance.
That's a brilliant chance. Tino Benza he brought the best out of the goalkeeper there. That was a good save from the goalkeeper.
It was.
From the near.
We need to hit it with good pace.
Boyd Mutukuri with a shot, and it is tipped over there by Prince Tafire Mutsa, the goalkeeper for Herentals. It is a goal that was actually a good. It was dipping at the last moment.
No, it was heading for the top corner there. It would have been a beautiful, beautiful goal, but Prince was equal to the task there. ZPC Kariba.
Direct of the net in favor of Cranborne Bullets. A free kick in favor of Cranborne Bullets. Banda is the man that has gone down there. So let's see how they will take it. That is Cranborne Bullets for you. Let's see how they will take that free kick. And it's US Banda who is to take that one. So 40 minutes of football have come and gone. 5 minutes to the break. We are still yet to find a goal between these two sides. We are to see any team that can manage to go to find the back of the net. The question is if they will manage to do so, because so far it seems like they haven't done much. Oh, this might be a chance, and it's a goal. A blunder by Joram Muchambo there. Cranborne Bullets there in front. And it is jersey number 9, Adibayo Malvin Wata, who has found the back of the net. He pulled a shot, and it was actually off target. Joram Muchambo trying to collect it with one hand, and it went on to redirect the ball into his own backline. And Cranborne Bullets there in front. The man they call Adibayo. Let's see if Manica Diamonds have got something for us, if they can manage to come back. Remember, in the first leg, 1 goal was enough for Cranborne Bullets to collect the maximum points, that is 3 points. But this is a different game. This is a different match. So, obviously, we don't know what the remaining minutes of this match hold for us. It's actually in mystery for us. But the only way we can know is to watch the remaining minutes and see how it will go. This is now Mafirim, Eria Mafire Nyika, playing to middle of the park. This is now Charles Teguru. A shot there. This is a goal! And it's Mashao Mudewe once again for Manica Diamonds. His second goal in the Chibuku Super Cup. They call him Need for Speed. Mashao Mudewe